back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply change your WeChat password. So let's find out. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's find out. So the very first thing you need to do is to click on here to open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on here to open up my WeChat. After you open up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon right here to proceed. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings right here. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to account security. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to password. Then right here, you will be asked to enter your old password, new password, and confirm. So I'm going to simply go ahead here and enter my old password right here. And I'm going to enter my new password right here. Confirm your new password. The next thing you need to do is to click on done right here. WeChat password set successful. Use your mobile number and WeChat password. Simply click on OK. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your WeChat password. I hope you really got value for this video. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your WeChat, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.